If you are a student learning programming or building project, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get JetBrains student license for free using the official method. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video. Here you can see I had just recorded a video about how to get Notion educational plus plan for free. Here you can see. So please watch that video if you are interested to get Notion plus plan for free. And I had already created a video about how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack. Here you can see. And how to get GitHub Copilot for free also. Here you can see. So I will give both link in this video description. Please watch that videos.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So after the login your GitHub account, just visit education.github.com/pack. Then click on this get access by connecting your GitHub account. Here you can see all-in-one dev toolkit for study and job preparation. Click on this request now. No need to fill this information. Click on this GitHub. Then click on this authorize with GitHub. Then click on this authorized JetBrains. Here you can see a notification. Let me zoom in. You were successfully authenticated with GitHub, which verified that you are a student. So just type here your email address, your name, I have read the accept this. Simply click on this apply for free product. Please confirm that you are not a bot boss. Simply verify this captcha. Thank you. Please follow the instruction in the verification email we have sent. Let's open the email. Click on this. Please click on this link to process further. Get started to use. And here you can see, simply scroll down, then click on this I agree button. Now continue with Google. Again we received our email OTP. Simply verify the OTP. And here you can see license and valid through 2027 to March. Educational pack license. You can also download it. Here you can see. So by this way you will use GitHub Student Developer Pack and apply for JetBrains for 2 years. And if you don't have a GitHub Student Developer Pack, you can buy from here also. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.